Once upon a time, in a world shrouded in mystery and magic, there existed the concept of chosen ones. These individuals were destined to play pivotal roles in the fate of their world, guided by a unique set of signs that would reveal their extraordinary destinies. Here are the 7 signs that you are a chosen one, as told through the tales of some remarkable heroes who embodied these signs. 1. The prophecy. In a quaint village nestled among rolling hills, a young farm girl named Elara heard the first sign, the prophecy. It was whispered by an ancient seer that she alone could restore balance to the realm. The prophecy spoke of her courage and determination. 2. The mark of destiny. Far across the ocean, a sailor named Leon discovered a mysterious symbol on his palm, which began to glow as he set sail on a treacherous voyage. This was the second sign, the mark of destiny, signifying his chosen path to uncover hidden truths. 3. An unexpected mentor. In the bustling city of Arcane, a humble blacksmith named Kael found himself chosen when an enigmatic stranger named Eldric appeared at his doorstep, offering to teach him the ways of an ancient order. This was the third sign, an unexpected mentor to guide him. 4. A unique connection. In the depths of an enchanted forest, a young mage named Seraphina communed with the spirits of nature. The fourth sign was her unique connection with the creatures and elements of the land, which whispered secrets of the world to her. 5. Ancient artifacts. A treasure hunter named Tristan journeyed to a long-forgotten temple in search of riches, but instead uncovered the fifth sign, an ancient artifact of great power. Its presence called to him, revealing his destiny as a chosen one. 6. Unusual companions. In the heart of the desert, a nomadic wanderer named Amina encountered a band of creatures unlike any she had ever seen. These magical beings, the sixth sign, became her loyal companions and guardians, accompanying her on her quest. 7. The final battle. As the signs aligned, our heroes discovered the seventh sign, the impending threat to their world. A malevolent force sought to plunge their realm into eternal darkness. Together, the chosen ones would face the final battle to fulfill their destinies, protect their world, and ensure a brighter future for all. Each of these chosen ones embraced their unique signs, harnessing their talents and overcoming obstacles, uniting their strengths to bring hope and salvation to their world. The legends of the chosen ones would be told for generations to come, a testament to the extraordinary power of destiny and the enduring spirit of those who answered the call.